can I squeeze or should I just be safe? Yeah, for sure. Tell me what it reads on the expiration date.
Look at Torian's little shorts.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Come on, you gonna put this in the car or what? No,
You don't trust me.
Cause I'm gonna be driving and get slapped with one of these bitches.
Like you're not.
One of them either squirted on me or...
What we finna do, babe? Ah! See, that's why you don't fucking trust me. What we about to go do?
Hey Trey, this was her idea. I'm finna let you know. We finna light your ass up real quick. Then wet you up real quick. Got the blickies and the bombs. You about to come? You see me? Lift that bucket up.
Lift it up.
Your shorts look tight as hell.
Yes.
They do?
Yeah, they do, but they
I
cute.
don't know why you bought me this tight ass shorts.
Them cute.
Hey Trey. Well, hold on, my car tripping.
Kick his ass, baby. Get him! He got on the whole outfit for real. You didn't even wet him with the water gun.
Hell no, we got everything. Let me cut the cover. Miss Bynum. Trey, that's a brand new tray. I think the old tray, new tray. You should have had them warning shots. When they come pointing at you.
Tori!
Get ready. Ain't no lacking on this last pound.
Babe. I wish I could have got him coming out the bathroom. I had to reload.
I could do that. Sure. Dispenser.
Hi guys, what can I get you?
For
Do you guys have menus? Do you guys serve food?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't do the menu. Sorry.
Okay.
Is anybody going to listen to my story?
Why are you driving like that? Why are you driving like that?
You gotta stay ready, see. You never gotta get ready.
Yeah, what are you ready for?
I'm ready for you to go ahead and try to point that thing my way. I'm finna light your ass the fuck up. Tatiana, I'm driving. And I still got better aim than you. You wetted on my whole truck. Stop. Tatiana, we're not playing this game no more. I'm done.
I'm done too.
No, you're not. Then give me your gun.
I just want you to see how ridiculous you on this gun towards me.
You keep spraying me. I'm trying to drive.
How we made. You in that church up in my verses. That's how we raised. Fuck 'em, I'ma murk 'em. God said ain't nobody perfect. Lost my little brother. push up on the other side and put them all on shame. Jesus, please say there's a heaven for a real one.